In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Canva. If you've ever tried to fit a product photo into an Instagram post, adjust a background image for a presentation, or make a graphic sit neatly inside a custom layout, you know how frustrating resizing can be when things start looking stretched, squished, or awkwardly cropped. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, and you don't need advanced design skills to get clean, professional looking results. To get started, open Canva and head to your main homepage. From there, find the design you want to work on in your recent projects and open it so it loads into the editing workspace. Once your canvas is visible, you're ready to focus on the image you want to resize without disturbing the rest of your design. If the image is already in your project, simply click on it. If you're adding a new one, go to the left-hand sidebar and choose Uploads to access your own image files, or use Elements and then Photos if you want to use Canva's stock library. Click on the image you want, and it will appear on your canvas with a border around it and resize handles visible. Now for the most important part, to resize the image while keeping it proportional, move your cursor to any of the 4 white corner handles on the selected image. Click and drag outward to make the image larger or inward to make it smaller. Using the corner handles is the safest way to scale the image evenly because it helps preserve the original shape and prevents distortion. If you want to change the visible framing instead of simply scaling the whole image, use the side handles along the edges. Dragging these inward will crop the image from that side. This is especially useful if you want to trim away unwanted background space or tighten the composition. And if you crop too much, don't worry. Canva keeps the hidden parts of the image so you can always drag the edge back out and restore what was there. If the subject of your image ends up off-center after resizing or cropping, double-click directly on the image. This opens the crop view, where you can reposition the photo inside its frame. Drag the image left, right, up, or down until the subject is framed the way you want. You can also fine-tune the size from here before clicking outside the image to apply the change. Before exporting, take a moment to move the image around and use Canva's alignment guides to help center it or line it up with other elements in your design. Once everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want a high-quality image file, and then click Download to save it. That's it. You now know how to resize an image in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.